Hello, my name is Antonio Sanchez, and I'm Principal Evangelist here at Fortra. The 2024 Cost of a Data Breach report by IBM revealed a few notable trends. The average cost of a data breach rose 10% year over year, which is the highest jump since the pandemic. Now, a contributing reason for that may be the explosion of generative AI, which is also being used by criminal actors to improve their attack campaigns. Healthcare reduced its cost per breach by 10%, which was great to see, although they're still the most costly across all industries, followed by finance and manufacturing. Another encouraging thing was that the industry is getting faster at detecting and containment by 19 days. This can be attributed to continued innovation using AI technologies to improve detection in hybrid environments, along with increased adoption and automation to execute containment tasks at machine speed. At Fortra, we have a broad portfolio of solutions and can be a partner that can help secure your organization. Go to www.fortra.com to get more information.